Hello, Forever family. Until then, keep focused on what matters most for you.
Hello, Forever family, and welcome to another episode of Forever Matters. I'm Nick Woodward-Shaw, and I'll be your host for the day. And right after this filming, I'm going to be jetting off to Bali to put the finishing touches to our global rally, along with our incredible team from across the world. I know I say this every time, but this rally really is going to be an experience like no other. But first, let's take a look at what's been happening around the world. More than 80 FBOs in Brazil qualified to attend the Forever Excellence Incentive event in Costa do Sauípe in Bahia. This was an incredible 4-day experience with country manager Fernando Junqueira and the great leaders from Forever Brazil as they enjoyed recognition, learning, and fun. The fantastic all-inclusive resort is like paradise, surrounded by beaches and natural pools, and it provides a unique cuisine. Then over in Sao Paulo in Brazil, our Executive Vice President Garen Breinholt and Country Manager Fernando hosted a success day along with double Diamond Manager Lino and Noemia Barbosa, with Diamond Manager Oliver Daniel, with more than 500 FBOs in attendance. New Sapphire Manager Maria de Salima was recognized along with 2022 Eagle Managers, the 2023 Chairman's Bonus and Global Rally Qualifiers. These Success Day events continue to bring motivation and learning to help continue growth in our market. Now let's head over the Pacific to Japan. The Nagano sales office was beautifully renovated and reopened on Wednesday, March 22nd, and is now offering more meeting space for the Japanese FBOs there. On the opening day, 24 people registered as new FBOs in the spot, so if you're ever in that part of Japan, make sure you head over and visit. Next, let's go over to Greece and Cyprus, where the Forever family there hosted an all-day Diamond Academy FBO training event, along with special guest speaker, Diamond Manager and GLT member, Philip Ritter. This was a qualifier-only local incentive where FBOs from Greece and Cyprus also had the opportunity to participate in the DX4 mindfulness training with a professional mindfulness coach. They also held 2 separate experience days in Thessaloniki in Greece and in Cyprus recently. Each experience day is a 4-hour event for FBOs and guests to network, recognize each other on stage, and learn about the Forever products and get motivation and business tips. Keep up the great work over in Greece and Cyprus. We'll be looking out for your growth. So are you ready to rally in Bali? I know that I am. We're getting so close to the kickoff of this event, and I'm so excited for you to see all that we've been planning for the last 2 years. I wish I could give away some of the secrets, but that would just ruin all the surprises that we have in store for those attending in person. And remember, you can tune in online. But I will tell you this, make sure that you have the following items ready before you travel. Don't forget your passport and visa if you need it. Don't forget your best tropical day and night wear for the week, because it's warm and humid. And remember to wear something sapphire for the Chairman's Bonus dinner on the Saturday evening. Make sure you bring your own Forever products as you travel. We've mentioned before that we're not able to ship any products into Bali due to the regulations there, so make sure you stock up and pack what you need for the week of the rally. And don't forget to bring your spirit. We will select one country at FBR 23 with the most spirit, culture, and creativity that encourages an environment of support, and they will win the 2023 Spirit Award at the rally. If you think your country deserves to win, vote now on our Forever Global HQ Business Facebook page. And we'd now like to recognize a new Sapphire Manager from Brazil, Maria Gomez. Congratulations, Maria. She has been with Forever since 2009 when she was first introduced to the product. With hard work and perseverance, she reached manager in just 3 months, and after reaching that milestone, she faced many challenges and disruptions developing her business, which greatly impacted her motivation and ultimately her business success at the time. She then rebuilt her strategy and focus, and today is fully dedicated to Forever and the productive, growing team. Reaching Sapphire Manager was not easy, but Maria is grateful for the opportunity and living unforgettable moments with Forevera. Next up, we'd like to recognize new Sapphire Manager Laure Lepojević from Serbia. Congratulations, Laura. Laura is a mother of 2 girls aged 9 and 6, and she joined Forevera to be able to take better care of her older daughter's health. She reached the manager level after only 1 year of active, committed work. Forevera gave her a new perspective on life, and soon she left her demanding career. Forevera has given her better health, joy, and quality of life. And Laura's vision is to help thousands of women experience the same success as she did. She currently has close to 20 managers and team and regularly qualifies for the Eagle Managers Retreat, Global Rally, Forevera to Drive, and Chairman's Bonus. She enjoys watching FBOs on her team become healthier, more self-confident, more independent, determined, and most importantly, happier. Now let's recognize our top 10 FBOs globally from March who had the most case credits. So in 10th place is Marina Karnat from Moldova. Number 9 from India, Krishna Arora. Number 8, Joël Bonifoy-Polly from France. Number 7, Mario Lepojević from Germany. In 6th place from Switzerland, Philip Ritter. In 5th place, Kautar Taiju from Morocco. And in 4th place from Japan, Miho Sugihara. In 3rd place, Rolf Kipp from Germany. In place number 2 is Etsuko Mototsuji from Japan. And our number 1 winner, once again from Japan, is Hanami Takagi. And now for our top 10 open group case credits. In 10th place from Israel is Alona Companis. In number 9 from Italy, Rosalia Aiello. In number 8 position from Germany is Havitsa Humaira Rubab. Number 7 is Alexandra Petković from Hungary. Number 6 is Joanna Kazimierz from Poland. And in place number 5 from Italy, Maria Fabiola Casto. Number 4 in the Global Open Case Credits from Japan is Hanami Takagi. Number 3 from Moldova is Marina Karnat. And in 2nd place, runner-up from Germany, is Mario Lepojević. And once again, our number 1 top open case credits for the month of March from Morocco is Kautar Taiju. As a reminder, the Rexmorn Forever Giving Foundation is continuing to take donations through the end of April to support relief efforts in the areas impacted by the Turkey and Syrian earthquakes that took place in February. You can donate right now on Facebook, Instagram, or online at www.forever-giving.org, or we will also have a booth in Bali at the Global Rally where you can get more information about our partners helping out on the ground. That partner is the Turkish Philanthropy Funds, and a great organization they are too. As a bonus, Forever Giving will be matching all donations made during the last week of April, dollar for dollar. So make sure if you make any contribution, make it during that week so that our partner will benefit the most and help those in need. That about brings us to a close in this episode of Forever Matters. Be sure to tune in next time when we are in Bali for the Global Rally, and you will hear the latest updates and recognitions from around the world. And until then, remember to stay focused on what matters most to you.